Welcome to the latest achievement from Vimpo, the successful commissioning of our state-of-the-art bitumen emulsion plant with a capacity of 10 tons per hour. The system is built for reliability, flexibility, and maximum control. From automatic dosing systems to high-performance colloid mills, every component is engineered to deliver consistent emulsion quality for all road applications. Designed to handle both cationic and anionic formulations, the plant supports multi-grade production with recipe memory, real-time monitoring, and intelligent batching control. Electrical heated pipelines and bitumen preheating tanks ensure a stable temperature environment for emulsification, increasing production quality and reducing waste. Our skid-mounted and modular approach enables faster installation, easy maintenance, and seamless integration into existing operations, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. This facility is now ready to serve major infrastructure projects, offering dependable performance, energy efficiency, and Vimpo's signature after-sales support.